more. I can walk 1,000 miles more. I can walk thousands miles more.
Miles more. How much say Assalamu alaikum?
Assalamu alaikum to all of you.
Firstly, I give too much thanks to my God, and now I start. After I get the championship, how I forget my leader, so I define more. So here I got the topic is that I can walk 1,000 miles more. Which thing they indicate? According to me, they indicate Miss Kausar to try the seldom agree. Here I don't talk about the Zardari and nor Yusuf Raza Gilani. I don't give the preface of the champion and rephrase of the legend. I done it. Because if you want to become a champion, so why can't I get for? So in this case, I don't talk about the hardworking and no honesty. Whether you believe or not, I talk about the influence of intoxication. When I talk about the intoxication, most of the people, they persist. Here, whenever we talk about, they are nothing. So in this case, they are things that, everything. But when I talk about those kind of personality, they believe that it is the whole thing, the world turns around. Whenever we talk about the intoxication, day by day, the person says everything. So we are just move more, like walk more. But you forget that day by day your life is not more. Your agitation more, your energy more. So in this case, I talk about the intoxication. I must say that most of the people, they only think that I am everything. But they are just forget that they are nothing but intoxication. Here, I talk about those kind of personality. You are born not take intoxication. You are born to not persist intoxication. If you want more information, not a 1, 2, 3, 1,000 times, I'm agree to reply her.
Okay, Miss Anna, here today we are not celebrating intoxication day. Here you are giving us a big speech. Come on the topic because here all the person know if we sing in the God and we sing in the no. But here as you are not giving a response to our legend or champion, so Miss how you are able to walk alone and thousands of miles.
Some degrees only for Miss Kausar. Here, I talk about that here. Road our bumper. But CID, concure independent answer. Miss, I'm not that kind of mind. I prepare, yes, champion come, legend come, then I talk about that. Here I don't talk about legend and champion. Legend and champion always talk about those kind of personality. They want to spoil the Pakistan. Here, I see all the picture, but in spite of that, Miss Kausar said that where is success? You are not able to play with me eye to eye. My perception didn't come. She changed the track. You are really able to play by like 2 ends in the crowd. After 2 minutes, my crowd show you demo. Come on, follow it.
Taking the name of the legend and the legend you are spying the name of the country, so it's shame on you. I split on
some people say that if you save one human being, means you saved all human beings. Last but not least, misconstrue you. For those kind of people, that is a really useless thing. You really went fast in the wrong road. First choose the correct way in your life.
As you give me the example of the Michael Jackson, so much hard to forget the other legend sitting in front of us, the Sayyid Shahid Khan. Is he best on the drum? No. But still, he has the power, caliber, to explain each and everything. That's why all of us they start to call him a legend. But here, you just want to see the negativity of the people, but you don't ever see the positivity of the people.
Believe me, Miss Kosser mind, you don't search here there. Because you only search the boosting museum. In this age, he doesn't know how to use mind. You just mind my perception, hope you get my kind of mind. When I talk about Sir Sayyid Shahid Khan, there is not allowed any kind of visualness. When we talk about Sir Sayyid Shahid Khan, is never ever give the prefix of intoxication. By my perception, not behalf of companion, not behalf of sister, not behalf of mother, I talk about the whole human being. Here, the person said that too much burden, they make the mountain of the morsel. I only want to describe those kind of people. Whenever, winner or they never know why they went first, but due of the hutter, seem like that. Life is a race. If you are in painful, it means God wants you to win. But in eye of God, already come the category of you, miss.